Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here how you make library on Figma. First, what you're gonna do, we are going for steps. We can create components like to make a square and a circle and start to making it together, which is control A, and then start to create a component. Now once you do that, you would start actually to save file as theme library, enable library publishing and use component across the file, and this would be ready to be like what you have to do in this. But almost every single plugin we can make a library, but library maker maybe, and then you can actually use it, or maybe on Google Chrome library maker for Figma. Okay, so you can start to have do it and start to add the design of it.